This is my budget AR build. It's a semi build because I don't have to build anything. It's all complete. This is a PTAC 16-inch mid-length upper for $180 complete. Has a dust cover, forward assist, then we have bolt carrier group, $100. It's a PSA Freedom Premium quality. Okay, that's installed now. Then we go to the lower, also complete. Haven't built anything. This is a blem lower. It's complete. It's aluminum lower, brand new for $130. You got your Pmag Gen 2, $14 with tax. Okay, lower's put on. Got your Pmag. That's on. Shipping for the lower $17, for the upper $25.50, total $42.50 in shipping. FFL transfer fee $10, tax $0, other than $2 or $1 for the Pmag at Academy, which brings the total to $476.50, shipping, parts, tax, everything. That is my budget build. You want a rear sight? Budget rear sight? I got myself a carry handle from eBay, $18. It's aluminum, I think. Has the adjustable. That's my budget build, guys. Thank you.